I'm gonna go over the top reasons why you should not start selling on Amazon. What is up, everyone? Welcome to my channel. My name is Pat Harris and I'm a full-time Amazon FBA seller. On my channel, I share tips that help with my own Amazon business so they could help you out as well. I also run a community on Facebook with over 2,000 other FBA sellers and students of mine. So if you want to check that out and join for free, hit the link down below in the description. But in this video, I'm going to go over the top reasons why you should not start selling on Amazon. There's a lot of misconceptions out there, so I want to clarify everything before you get into it. But before we do that, if you could like this video, subscribe to the channel, hit that bell icon so you could stay updated with the new videos that I upload every week. But let's get into it. So in this video, I'm going to go over the top reasons why you should not start selling on Amazon. That is correct. I said should not. Even though I'm a full-time Amazon FBA seller and it's been great for me, I want to clarify things so you could get the whole picture. So first off, if you think this is a get-rich-quick business, then you should not sell on Amazon. It's a great long-term business opportunity, like I always say, but you are not going to make a ton of money fast and quit your job within the first month. Any profit that you make in the beginning goes back into your business. It gets reinvested so you could keep that business going for a long time and earn more money in the long run. If you make a ton of money fast and then you don't reinvest it, what is the point of the business? Your business is done, you're out of stock, and you don't have any more product to sell, and that means no more money. So this is not a get-rich-quick business. I've had people message me and say, how can I make millions of dollars in 1 year? And the truth is, maybe you could get lucky and you could have that perfect product, but it is pretty hard and you have to do your research and learn the right way before you jump into it. So don't expect it to be easy, even though these gurus out there say you can make tons of money fast.
Understand how much money you make?
I don't know, 70,000 last month.
It is not usually like that, and that is not how it happens. So one is, it is not a get-rich-quick business, so if you think it is, then you should not start selling on Amazon. The second thing is, you have to have the right mindset. Now you're going to come across a lot of roadblocks and you can't just give up. You have to stay motivated. You have to learn the whole process before you jump into it to prevent mistakes and anything else that comes your way. That's why it's great to learn from someone like me so I could help you out along your journey. Again, if you want to check that out, I have a link in the description below. That's my shameless plug. But yeah, so you have to learn everything before you jump into it, because if you don't and you just start selling a random product on Amazon, chances are it's not going to sell and you're going to lose a ton of money and then probably give up. You have to have the right work ethic and execute on all the knowledge that you learn before you jump into it. And then when you get hit with a roadblock, don't give up. You have to keep pushing because it is a long-term business. If you give up right from the start, then you never know what could have happened if you stayed in it for the long run. So that is number two. You have to have the right mindset. I actually have a book that I recommend to other new sellers out there. This is what I read before I started selling on Amazon. And it changed the complete outlook of how I thought about everything. It changed my mindset, and that's what got me into Amazon FBA and pushed me through all the things that I came across on my whole journey to get to here. Now, everything is possible. I look at things and I think I could do that. Before, a couple years back, I always thought it was a scam or it was impossible, but it is possible if you put your mind to it and you work hard. You could do anything that you want, so just think about that. And the other thing that I see is people ask if they could start Amazon FBA with $0. So you can't just start a business with $0, but I recommend to save as much money as you can, do different side jobs and work, and then save up enough money to start your own Amazon FBA business, because it's going to cost money to make money. You have to have money to invest in your business to get it growing. But a lot of people say you need like $20,000 to start selling on Amazon, and that is simply not the truth. I actually have an experiment that I launched right here, and I did it for under $1,000, but I had the experience before I did it, so that helped. It's just a lot harder, but you can do it. But I recommend at least having $2,000, and it depends on how much your product costs and then how much inventory you order and all of the things that come along with the business. So those are my top 3 reasons why you should not start selling on Amazon. Amazon is a great long-term business opportunity, but if you don't have enough money, you don't have the right mindset, and you think it's a get-rich-quick business, then I would not recommend jumping into Amazon FBA. All right, so I hope I clarified some of the main things out there that people think is possible with Amazon FBA. Again, it's a great business opportunity. community, and it's great to learn from someone that's already doing it so you don't make costly mistakes and limit risk. So again, a shameless plug, I have a link in the description for my mentorship, and if you are motivated and determined and you could check all these things off the list, then you should start Amazon FBA. If you want to start a business, it's a lot cheaper than starting other businesses out there. You don't need a storefront, you don't need experience. I didn't have any experience before I jumped into this, but you are selling under Amazon's umbrella, so you have to be ready for what comes. But that is it in this video. If you like this video, again, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, join my free community down below, and check out the course and mentorship. But that is it for this one. I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.